Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Wake up, Liam.
Is it morning already?
It is 7 o'clock.
I am so sleepy.
The sun is out.
But my bed is warm.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
I will make some.
You are very kind.
Get up now.
Give me 5 minutes.
Nope, it is late.
Well, okay.
Where are your shoes?
Under the bed.
Are they clean?
I think so.
I see them now.
Thank you, Emma.
Hurry up, Liam.
I am moving.
The birds are loud.
I like the sound.
It is a beautiful day.
Actually, it is cold.
Wear a jacket.
Where is my blue one?
It is on the chair.
I see it.
Are you ready?
Not yet.
Wash your face.
I will be fast.
I am going downstairs.
Wait for me.
The kitchen is bright.
I need some light.
Do you feel better?
A little bit.
Breakfast is on the table.
Is it toast?
Yes, and some fruit.
I love fruit.
Eat quickly.
The coffee is hot.
Be careful.
I am being careful.
Is the coffee good?
It is perfect.
I am glad.
Now I am awake.
Good.
What is next?
We must leave.
I know.
Grab your bag.
Okay, I am ready.
Where is the milk?
It is in the door.
I do not see it.
Look behind the juice.
Oh, here it is.
Is it fresh?
Yes, it is good.
Great.
Do we have eggs?
No, we ate them.
I forgot to buy more.
That is okay.
We can have cereal.
I like cereal.
The bowl is dirty.
Use the blue one.
This bowl is small.
It is fine.
Is the toaster working?
Yes, it is fast.
My toast is burnt.
That is bad.
I will fix it.
How?
I can scrape it.
That sounds loud.
Well, I am hungry.
Me too.
Do you want butter?
Just a little.
The butter is hard.
Wait a minute.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
The phone is ringing.
Ignore it for now.
It stopped.
Good.
Is your coffee cold?
No, it is warm.
Drink it fast.
I am trying.
We have 10 minutes.
That is enough time.
Check your watch.
It is 7:30.
The clock is slow.
Are you sure?
Yes, look at mine.
Oh no.
Do not panic.
I am not panicking.
Put your shoes on.
I am doing it.
Where is my key?
On the small table.
I found it.
Let's go then.
Is the bus late?
I think so.
It is very cold.
You need a scarf.
I have one here.
Put it on.
That is better.
Look, the bus is coming.
No, that is a truck.
My mistake.
How far is the city?
About 20 minutes.
Is the bus crowded?
Usually, yes.
I want to sit.
Me too, Emma.
Do you have money?
I have my card.
Is it in your bag?
Yes, I have it.
The wind is strong.
Hold your hat.
I am not wearing one.
Right, I forgot.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
You can sleep later.
I hope so.
The street is busy.
Many cars today.
Look at that dog.
It is so cute.
It is wearing a coat.
That is funny.
I want a dog.
They are a lot of work.
I know, but still.
Maybe next year.
Is the bus here now?
Yes, finally.
It is very big.
It is the express bus.
Does it stop here?
Yes, it does.
Get your card ready.
I am holding it.
The doors are opening.
Let people out first.
Okay, move back.
It is very full.
We can stand.
Hold the rail.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
The bus is moving.
Whoa, careful.
That was a jump.
The driver is fast.
It is very quiet.
We are in a library.
I know, sorry.
That is okay.
What are you reading?
A story about history.
Is it interesting?
Yes, but it is long.
I am writing a paper.
Is it hard?
A little bit.
You can do it.
I need more water.
The fountain is there.
I will go later.
Okay.
Look at the rain.
It is raining hard.
I like the rain.
It is peaceful.
Do you have a pen?
I have a blue one.
Can I borrow it?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, Liam.
You are welcome.
Are you hungry yet?
Actually, yes.
We cannot eat here.
I know that.
Let us finish first.
10 more minutes.
Okay, I am almost done.
Me too.
The light is nice.
It is very warm.
I feel sleepy.
Do not sleep here.
I will try not to.
Drink some water.
Good idea.
Is your laptop charged?
It is at 50%.
That is good.
I am closing my book.
Are you finished?
Yes, for today.
I am finished too.
Let us pack our bags.
Keep it quiet.
I am being quiet.
I know.
Where is your coat?
I am wearing it.
Oh, right.
Let's go eat.
I want pizza.
Pizza sounds great.
Let us walk fast.
Okay, let's go.
This park is pretty.
I like the trees.
Sit down here.
The bench is cold.
It is okay.
What is in the bag?
I have 2 sandwiches.
Are they turkey?
Yes, with cheese.
My favorite.
Here is yours.
Thank you, Emma.
Is it good?
It is delicious. I am glad. Did you make these?
Yes, this morning.
You are a good cook.
It is just a sandwich.
Still, it is good.
Look at the birds.
They want our food.
Do not feed them.
I know.
The sun feels nice.
It is finally warm.
I feel happy.
Me too.
What time is it?
It is 2 o'clock.
We have time.
No rush today.
Is that a plane?
Yes, way up there.
It is very small.
Because it is far.
I want to travel.
Where to?
Maybe to France.
That sounds fun.
Have you been there?
No, never.
We should go someday.
I would love that.
Finish your lunch.
I am almost done.
Do you want chips?
No, thank you.
I will eat them.
Go ahead.
They're very salty.
I like salt. Drink your juice. It is apple juice.
Is it sweet?
Yes, very sweet.
Let us walk now.
Okay, let's go.
What do we need?
Milk, bread, and eggs.
Get the milk first.
Is it in the back?
Yes, it is cold there.
I see it.
Grab the red one.
This one?
Yes, that is it.
Okay, into the cart.
Now we need bread.
White or brown?
Brown is healthier.
I agree.
Is it fresh?
It feels soft.
Good, put it in.
What about apples?
Get 6 apples.
Red or green?
Let us get red.
They look sweet.
Are they on sale?
Yes, 2 for 1.
That is a good price.
I know.
Do we need pasta?
Yes, for dinner.
Get the box.
Which one?
The long one.
Spaghetti?
Yes, that one.
Okay, got it.
We need sauce too.
Tomato sauce?
Yes, 2 jars.
They are heavy.
Put them in carefully.
I will.
Is that everything?
We need water.
The big bottle?
Yes, please.
I have it.
Now we can pay.
The line is long.
That is okay.
Do you have bags?
I have 2.
Good for the planet.
I agree, Emma.
It is our turn.
Hello.
Put things on the belt.
I am doing it.
That is $50.
Here is the card.
Look at the stars.
They are so bright.
It is a clear night.
The air is cold.
Are you cold?
Just a little.
The moon is full.
It is beautiful.
I feel tired now,
It was a long day.
but it was good.
Yes, I agree.
What time is it?
10 o'clock.
Time for bed.
I am not ready.
Why not?
I like this view.
The city is quiet.
It is never quiet.
Well, it is quieter.
That is true.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I did.
Are the lights off?
The kitchen light is on.
I will turn it off.
Thank you, Liam.
Do you need an alarm?
Yes, for 7 o'clock.
I will set it.
Do not forget.
I never forget.
You forgot yesterday.
That was different.
How was it different?
I was very tired.
We are both tired.
Let us go inside.
It is getting cold.
Close the window.
I am closing it.
Is the heater on?
Yes, it is low.
That is perfect.
I am ready now.
Sleep well, Liam.
You too, Emma.
See you at 7.
I will be there.
Good night.
Good night.
Wait, where is my phone?
It is on the table.
Okay, I got it.
Now go to sleep.
I am going.
Sweet dreams.
Dream of the stars.
I will.